Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Mixed herbs and pepper are a magical combination for grilled chicken. All you do is marinate the meat and cook it. A simple recipe with spectacular results. You want interesting tried and tested recipes? Do subscribe and check out my other videos. Chicken breasts that have been washed and cleaned. Grated onion. Add in the onion juice. You could use the pulp for making your curries, some garlic paste, lemon juice concentrate. You could use fresh juice instead, Worcester sauce, crushed peppercorns as per your taste, mixed herbs. This is a mix of rosemary, thyme, oregano, basil and parsley. Salt to taste. Remember, the sauce has salt in it. Some honey. This will not only add a nice flavor but also a nice color. Coat the chicken pieces with the marinade. Rub it in on both sides. Cover it and let it rest in the fridge for at least an hour, best to marinate overnight. The grill pan has been heating up. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You could use butter or a combination of butter and olive oil. I'll just brush the pan and get it ready for the chicken pieces. I just got it out of the fridge and I'll put the breast piece with the good side facing down. I'll raise the heat to medium and let this cook for about 5 minutes. So there's no need to move it around. Let it be. Check after 5 minutes. It has been about 2 minutes now. I'll just add in some olive oil. The 5 minutes are over. Wow, just look at that grill mark. Turn it over. Let it cook on low medium for 5 minutes. Drizzle some olive oil on top. And some of the marinade juices. Try the recipe. If you like it, share it on social media. Time to check on the other side. That looks nice. Nicely charred. Cook it on low heat for another couple of minutes. That's how the underside looks. I'll just flip it over and cook this side for a few more minutes and check again. I'll just check. That's almost done. So I'll just turn off the heat at this point. Use a foil to cover it up and let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes. I've just added some butter and olive oil to my pan. I'm making a quick butter pepper rice to go with the chicken. Add in some crushed peppercorns. Add in the rice. Season with a bit of salt and a dash of Worcester sauce. Mix it up. And that's ready. Let's make a quick tossed salad with cucumber, tomatoes and red onion. Add a dash of lemon juice, some crushed pepper and salt to taste. Give it a quick mix and that's ready. Pack the rice in a small bowl. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe. Drizzle some of the juice from the pan on the chicken. Some salad on the side. And that's ready to serve. That's perfectly cooked. Today I am serving the grilled chicken with some rice. You could serve it with potatoes or bread.